and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick little unboxing. Today is Saturday, so I figured I would just post the video today since it's just like a quick little like unboxing, just like a little haul. And then tomorrow we'll do our regular scheduled programming and I'll record the Hobonichi planner plan with me. But I did want to share with you all, I got a package from LA Florals on Instagram. She reached out to me and offered to send over some sticker sheets. I was not expecting everything that she sent. Like, this was a lot. I was expecting like 2 sticker sheets or something like that. She really went above and beyond, and I am really excited to share these with you all. Just before we get started, I do want to share that I do have a discount code. I have to be honest, I don't really accept like a lot of like collaborations or even getting sent like product, because I like to share stuff that I really like love and enjoy using. And when I've actually followed her for some time, and when I saw her stickers, like, I was just obsessed. And when she reached out to me, I was like, oh my gosh, like, this would be so exciting. So there is a discount code. It is Curvy Planner. I'll put it up on the screen, and then anybody that uses my discount code will get my little custom sticker sheet. So these are little Sony Angels, Labubus, and coffee, basically the things that I love. So I'm pretty excited about this, and I think they're super cute to get like the bigger size ones and like a little bit smaller that you can use in your planner. And these are also little stickers that you can use in your planner, as well as a little Curvy planner, a little word right here, my Instagram handle, so you can add that to your planner or anywhere in your journal, your junk journal, whatever you want. But let's go ahead and look over these because they're so adorable. These are definitely like Halloween vibes, but this is a cauldrons, so you can even like write on these. They're just super cute, super decorative, but at the same time they can even be functional because you can write like to-do lists on the little like smoke section if you wanted to. She did mention that these little cat stickers are inspired by her cat, and her cat used to be a little chaotic in her younger years, so this is definitely inspired by her cat, and it's super cute. The cat's a lifeguard. She's in a little Yeti cooler. Super cute. I think these are adorable, and I love the style. Like, she hand draws all of her stickers, and I think that's super awesome and special. So adorable. I love it. And then these are they're also the same cat, but they're a little different. I feel like they kind of remind me of like pom-poms, and that's just super adorable. I love cats, and I don't have any cats. I used to have a cat growing up, but I love books, and I know a lot of my friends love cats and they're cat people, so I know they would enjoy something like this. I'm actually gonna share this sticker sheet with my friend Jessica from Knit Plan Jess. I think she would love that. And then look at these little fancy ghosts. This is so cute. I like that, and the little yarn, like the lavender, all the cutie things. There's also, this is so cute. When I saw this, I was like, stop, this is adorable. Toast time. Yay, time to plan. Like, kind of reminds me of like emojis. So that's adorable. And then you have some words. So this is like it looks like self-care. So self-care day, everything, shower, face mask, hair mask. So everything like taking care of yourself. And this is called Overgrown Greenhouse. Look at how cute these are. Like, I am always so amazed by people's creativity and their talent, because this is like, you have to be talented to be able to make stuff like this. First off, like, come up with the colors, and then just actually like being able to draw. Like, I guess like I've never been able to draw, so I'm always so amazed by everybody's creativity and talents. Ooh, I love this one. It's called Honey Cake Cottage. Look at the little glasses. Oh, this is so cute. I am going to have a hard time deciding which one to use in my planner, because I am going to use one of the sticker sheets in my planner for tomorrow. And I'm not sure, like, they're all so stunning and gorgeous. Like, look at this one. This one's called Farmer's Market. How cute, the little plants. Love. Oh my gosh. I drink every time I say cute. Like, this is so cute and adorable. Stop it right now. This is literally me. The little mouse, the little mice. This is called Adventures. Did I already mention that? I don't know. Sunshine. Cute. Oh, look at the little honey jar. This is so cute. The little chick. Ooh, Adventure Village. Look at all these characters. Like, to be able to come up with these, like, wow. I'm amazed. So cute. Amelia emotes. This is so adorable. Stop. Their little ears are just so stinking cute. Adventures Bakery. Look at this. Kind of gives me like the vibes of Ratatouille. This is so cute. The little baguette. Look, can I show you all? This is my my hand rest, my wrist. I don't know what to call it. My hand rest. Whenever I'm typing for work, it's a baguette. So love that. Oh, this is cute. Frames, and it's black and white, so that's definitely like different than like all the colorful stuff, but I love that it has those options. Ooh, the book library. Oh, it's Boo Library because they're a little ghost. That is so cute, and it has different themes, or what is it called? Book, what is it called? I can't think of the word, but it's like mood reader, snacky ghost, e-reader, TBR ghost, book collector ghosty, bookworm ghosty, romance reader, trope loving ghosty. So cute. Sunshine Townhouse Washi. So this you can use at the bottom of your planner, or I mean anywhere, even in the center, who cares, right? This is so cute, and you have the big one and the little like medium and smaller one. Nature's Cottage. So cute. Oh, I love the little flowers, like hanging, like drying flowers. That is so cute. Bigfoot in books. That is so adorable. Look at this little character. Oh, and she has a little bow. And she did incorporate some of these like little book cards, but instead of the ghosties, it's Bigfoot. That's so cute. Books and Brews. That's fun. Oh, that's a little warm. Stop. That's so cute. I'm going to have such a hard time choosing what stickers to use. Bloom's Books and Brews. Oh, I love this little vine. That could be so cute, like in the center. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm sure I'm going to use all of these. And then she also included this that I can actually use in my planner, maybe like on the side or something. That is so cute. So yeah, I wanted to share with y'all all the little goodies. We have so many options to choose from. So if you see something that stands out to you, definitely comment down below, and then maybe we can use that in our next little plan with me. So yeah, let me know which one you like. And if you made it this far, make sure to comment a strawberry emoji. I'm pretty sure there's a strawberry emoji. If not, comment a coffee. So whichever one you like. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow LA Florals on Instagram. I'll put the handle on the screen as well as in the caption down below. And don't forget, if you do make a purchase, use my discount code Curvy Planner for 10% off and a freebie sticker sheet. So anyways, I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Love y'all, and I hope you'll have a great Saturday. Bye.